Have you ever hit send on an email and instantly wished you hadn't? Maybe it had a typo, or maybe it wasn't quite ready. Today, I'm going to show you how to cancel a sent email in Gmail, a trick that can save you from embarrassment and mistakes. First, let's open Gmail and head to the settings. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu that appears, select See All Settings. Once you're in, make sure you're on the General tab. Here, you'll find a section called Undo Send. This is the magic feature that lets you retract an email. Next, check the send cancellation period. By default, it's usually set to 5 seconds, not nearly enough time to think twice. I recommend changing it to 30 seconds. Those extra seconds might be all you need to stop a mistake from going out. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes so Gmail remembers your new settings. Now, let's test it out. Click Compose and draft an email as you normally would. Once you hit send, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an undo option appear. Click it, and just like that, your email is pulled back. You can edit it, rethink it, or discard it entirely. And that's it. With just a small tweak in your Gmail settings, you've added a safety net for every email you send. It's simple, effective, and gives you peace of mind every time you hit send. Give it a try a few times until it becomes second nature, and you'll never have to panic over a sent email again.